Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. It comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as park assist, lane keep assist, rear entertainment package, third row seating, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with red accents throughout the vehicle. We have paneling and storage on the bottom here. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the seat memory and the chrome accents. We have these black running boards here as well. And these premium leather, power adjustable heated seats with more of the red accents, super comfortable. Left side you have your vents and as well as lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop. Down below with your drive mode selector and lighting controls as well. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side of your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. Just going to be push to start just right here, classic button shifter here, and onto the infotainment system. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation as well. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your mirrors and trailer hitch here. Go across, you also have just built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well, and Chevrolet Maps Plus. Down below, tri-zone climate control, the heated seats, 2 USB ports, as well as an SD card reader for navigation, and a huge wireless charge pad just below there. Of course, the cup holder and center console with more storage. Passenger side, power adjustable as well, same finish. Red accents across, more of that chrome. So you're gonna have speakers and vents up top here. And then you can access your reading lamps, foldable third row seats, and as well as your rear lift gate. You got these 22-inch wheels on Bridgestone and Lenza tires. You got the black Tahoe badging, the two-tone mirror caps, and then the keyless entry paint match door handle. Black luggage side rails up top, tinted rear glass in the back. More of that black badging. The RST is also at the bottom there. At the trunk here, you're going to go right into the third row seating. Foldable seats power here. You're going to have an AC wall charger as well as some extra hooks and extra storage down below here. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage on the bottom of the doors next to the Bose speaker sound system again. Power locks and windows with the chrome handle. We have these captain seats, we'll fold them up. So we get to the third row here. Flipped up the tab, flip up the seats entirely. And for the third row bench seat, you're gonna have USB-C and cup holders on each side with vents and lamps up top. Super comfortable. That's back down. And for here, you're gonna have pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side and right in front of you. So you're gonna have the rear entertainment. You can have watch with HDMI as well as mirrorcast and USB or USB-C as well. And you can also check out navigation in the back here as well. Right in the center, rear cup holders with rear climate controls and heated seats with the 2 USB and HDMI, as well as an AC wall charger right there. And you're just gonna have lamps up top, panels on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. Comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as premium leather heated seats, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, as well as rear entertainment package, third row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.